Hey guys, welcome back to Lewin Global Unboxing. Today I'm gonna be unboxing under the desk keyboard so that you have more room on the surface of your desk so you can mount this underneath to give you that space. And it comes with a slide out tray. Now let's see what it looks like. I already don't like the shape of my box here. I don't know if you guys can even see it in the video, but the box is a little damaged. And I don't like the look of that right now, so I'm hoping that it's better when I open it up, but we'll find out. We'll see what's going on. Let's open this bad boy up. Just the usual warranty card. Then you get your installation instructions. Looks like it's 8 steps, it looks like. Alright, these out of there. This is one of the brackets. I'm guessing this is the left hand side because it has an L on it. It's pretty heavy bracket. This bad boy is pretty strong. I'm surprised. Yeah, it's pretty heavy. And this would be our right bracket here. And I forgot to mention, guys, this Defy desk. That's the company. Now, let's open up this box here. Oh, goodness. Alright, this is one of the rails, left-hand rail, that it slides on. You can see the bearings here. And it slides on this rail, go in and out. They got it zip tied so it doesn't move, but the rail goes in and out. Then the other side, here we are. The right rail. There we are. You guys can see. So far, looks alright, even though my box looked damaged. So far the railings look fine, so I'm going to continue to open the rest of these up. And here are the parts. Now your screws, or Allen wrench. My personal opinion, I do not like these Allen bolts that they always send with all these. I don't know why, came, I guess it's cheaper for Allen bolts or whatever, but they are, in my opinion, the worst bolts. I would take Phillips head bolts over these. Okay, so you got all this. These are for the clamps, these 2 screws right here, and here are the brackets. We got some rubber seals, it looks like, and 3M. So it's all the parts. I see. You see what's underneath here, what this foam's covering up. Oh, here's the slide out tray. And this one is the large one, guys, so just in case some people are saying that thing's too big or whatever, this is the large size. I got the largest size I could get. Okay, they have smaller ones for those who want smaller ones, but this, I got the larger size. Everything can fit on here perfectly, but that's all that comes in the case, guys. And again, it's Defy desk and that's their clamp keyboard tray. Okay, you can see it right there. 26-inch surface. So I got the larger one. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. I will put this together and mount it onto the desk, and we'll see how it turns out. Alright guys, I've clamped it down to my desk. So let me shot of the clamp. It's right there. You guys can see the Defy logo on that bracket. It's clamped down to my desk. Then you can see the light on my keyboard, but I'll pull it out. You guys can see. And there it is.